Hi everyone. Hello. Hi Ashley. Hi Agash. Hi Lohita, right? Hi Pinky. Hi Leroy. Okay. Hi Matthias. Okay. Thank you for coming in. Yeah. Actually, just now I let my student come in first because I was telling them that I'm nervous. But then let's do it, okay? Let's be brave. Hi Jia thanks for coming back. Yeah. I can remember you, darling. Hi Santosh. Yeah, let me see. I want to say hi to more children. Just give me a minute, okay? Oh, hi parents and children. Can you turn on your webcam so sometimes I can call you? Yeah. Hello. Thank you for coming on a Sunday. I really appreciate. Yeah, really appreciate. And can I have a small request? Hello Isabel. Okay, hi Clarice. Thanks for these are the brave ones. Yeah, teacher like brave kids. You give me courage, guys. Serious one. You know, the first session, my students were asking me, teacher, why are you not joking? Where is your funny you that we always have in class? Then I was like, teacher so nervous how to joke, huh? I was like, no, teacher, just be like yourself. Just joke and then be happy and then just teach properly. I said, we have confidence in you, teacher. Okay, I have confidence in myself. Okay, guys. So what I want to tell you is, guys, let's learn together. I'm really happy to help you. My request is try not to come in and out of the class. I understand that sometimes the internet drop and you have no choice. But if you want to stay and learn, stay throughout, okay? And if you find this useful, after the class, type me an encouraging note. I will appreciate that if you really learn something. And okay, I do this because okay, let me tell you why I do this. Okay, because there are so many new friends today. Okay, I do this because number one, I really love children a lot. Okay, number two is because when I was PSLE, I was in my PSLE, I wish I can get extra help, but I couldn't. Yeah, the only help my parents gave me was some tuition at RC for the last 3 months, and if I believe that if I met someone like myself now, I will do so much better. But thankfully, I did very well for my PSLE Math. Okay, then the third thing is if you have issues on how to improve in the next 1 month, drop me a message. I can give you some suggestion based on the marks that you're at, so that you will feel more at ease. Okay, the question that I've selected are the harder ones. So if you can do this question, you're probably on the right track to secure your AL1, 2, or 3. Okay, so thank you to all the children. You guys are awesome. Okay, because you turn on your webcam. You are very brave. You're more brave than me. The second page one not as brave. Third page, fourth page. Okay, but anyway, I really appreciate. So since I think Zoom is telling me who has turned on the webcam, and those who are on the webcam has higher priority, which is great. Okay, those who turn on the webcam. Okay, so may I just ask a question? Have you done the questions? You try? You try? You try? Huh?
Yeah. Yeah.
Now try. Okay. Oh, hello, Snail Boy. I finally get to see you, Rainian. Hi, Rainian. Remember I told you I love you? Finally, I get to see you. Yeah. Okay, guys. Who is a nightmare? No. Nobody is a nightmare in my life. Okay, especially children. Okay, children, remember we are going to go through this. Be very patient with me. Do not disrupt the class. Okay, and I'm here for you. And even though this is the first time some of you see me, be well assured that I love you, and I'm doing it because I love you. And if you think that it's beneficial, tell me. I'm telling my existing students who have come in as well that if you're really benefiting from it, let's do another 3 to 5 sessions. And the next session I'm thinking of, if you really like it, could be on a Tuesday, and the next one could be on a Friday. Yeah, if I can squeeze in the time, I really want to help you. And all these sessions, I just don't want to charge. Okay? If you have your parents and you have signed up before for this kind of classes, you should know that a 6-hour class probably costs $300. But I'm not really. I'm not charging. Okay? All I really want is to give you this present and to tell you that there are really many adults who love you, believe in you. Okay? Yeah? So you all work hard, huh? Promise me you work hard. Those who promise me you work hard, show me this. That's the real me, right? So I'm cool, is it? Okay, fine. I start now, okay? Because Uncle Pingwei is like mine. You will pace me, I think. I like to see him. Yeah, you will pace me. Okay, Pingwei. Okay, so let's start now, okay? So I've selected 5. Okay, and I think it will last about 1.5 hours. Is that okay? Yeah, so we'll do this question first, huh? Shall we? Can you see the screen, everybody? Can, huh? Okay, so don't make noise, okay? We concentrate. But the question, okay, I'll try to answer. If I can't answer now, because sometimes I'm very task focused, as in I really want to teach you that 5 questions. So if we take this offline, then maybe you look for me, okay, after that. Okay? Yeah, so let's start with this question. Okay, before I start, can you do me a favor? Those who have tried for question 6, can you type down your answer for me? Teacher is looking at the chat now. Yeah, if you have tried, let's see who got them correct. Yeah, question 6, this one, Jimmy campaign. You have any, yeah, feel free to send to me, okay? So teacher can see. Okay? Yeah, so, wow, there's a lot of answer coming in now. Wow, a lot of you got it correct. Well done. Well done. I'm proud of you all, okay? Yeah, really proud. Okay, so, okay, I know a lot of you got the correct answer, but then is it okay if teacher just teach you the clarity part? Okay, and the understanding part. Okay, let's start. Okay, so Jimmy can paint a house in 10 days, right? So I'm going to, you should know that I'm a color monster already, huh? I really love colors. Okay, yeah. Sorry that, who is talking? Can you mute? Okay, everybody, can you mute? Can? Okay, you just talk to me on the chat, okay? Yeah, so Jimmy can paint a house in 10 days, okay? While Tom can paint the same house in 20 days, okay? Jimmy started painting 4 days alone, okay? So Jimmy is the one who started all by himself for 4 days. Tom, okay, then we have Tom joined him to paint the house after that. How many days did it take for the house to be completely painted, right? So this is a question on rate that involves more than one object, which is actually me and Tom, right? So normally for me, when I do question, I like to do this, okay? Yeah, so I'll go back to purple, so you know where I get my information from, okay? So I have Jimmy is here, okay? And sorry, let me just adjust my volume. Yeah, okay. So I have Jimmy, and Jimmy is taking 10 days to paint one house. I think everybody is sure of that, right? Okay. So the next thing, I want to have a good comparison and easy comparison. So today you must remember the power of 1. Okay, the power of 1. 1 is very important. So we are going to look at how about how much can Jimmy paint in 1 day, right? Okay, so in order for you to be able to understand this properly, okay, teacher is going to draw Jimmy house, a rough one, okay? And maybe let's draw Jimmy house like that. Okay, and this is Jimmy house. And let's imagine that Jimmy house is a bit weird. It has 10 rooms and all of the same size, okay? Or maybe, yeah, 10. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, there are 10 now. So it means that every single day, Jimmy would have done This much, correct. Okay, let's paint this purple. Okay, so now we will have 1 out of 10 of the house. Okay, out of 10 of the house. Okay. Okay, hold on a minute, huh? Yeah, okay, so after that, let's look at Tom now, okay? And I'll change Tom in blue, okay, guys? So we have Tom, okay? And how much can Tom paint actually? Tom can paint the house in 20 days. So you can tell that Tom is actually a lot slower than Jimmy, right? So if you are a person, you are a painting shop boss, you'll definitely employ Jimmy, right? Because Tom is taking too many days to paint, right? But then let's write down first, it's still one house, okay? And therefore, in one day, Tom would have painted 1 out of 20 of the house, right? But then there is something interesting here. Here, the base is a denominator of 10, right? And here, the denominator is a base of 20. So what does it mean? It means, but actually this is the same house, right? True or not true? So we could have made the denominator the same to compare. So anyway, let me just continue first. Okay, let's go back to Jimmy. Let's go back to Jimmy. So Jimmy, okay, started working, which is here, and he worked for 4 days. 4 days. So here we have the 4 days. Okay, we have the 4 days. Yeah. And these 4 days, if one day is 1/10 of the house, then 4 days will be 4 times 1/10, right? Which is equal to 4/10 of the house, right? Okay, yeah, 4/10 of the house. Okay, so what about when both of them do it together? So when both of them do it together, it will be in a single day. Okay, so teacher is going to write. Can you write down for yourself also, so that at least you can bring home something? Okay, you can bring home something. So if you have Tom and Jimmy, and it is for, but when they combine together in one day, what will happen? In one day, okay, sorry, teacher is going to undo this part because I don't want to make you blur. Okay, so in one day, I'm going to take up what Jimmy has built, which is 1 out of 10, plus Tom, which is 1 out of 20, right? And since we can make the denominator the same, so we're going to multiply by 2 and going to multiply by 2. So together, they can finish 3 out of 20 of the house. 3 out of 20 of the house. Everybody okay with this part? Good. Thank you, Gash. I saw you nodding. Okay, so you understand now that we have Jimmy working alone, Tom working alone, and Jimmy and Tom working together, right? So let's look at what happened when Jimmy has already started and he has done 4/10 of the house. And actually 4/10 of the house, if you simplify it, is actually 2/5 of the house, right? Right, 2/5 of the house, which actually looks like this. Okay, guys, it looks like this. So teacher is going to highlight for you so you can follow. So this is 1 day. Jimmy did it 1 day. Jimmy did it 2 days. Jimmy did it 3 days. And Jimmy did it 4 days. So far, so good, right, everybody? Yeah? Okay. So after that, what happened? After that, how much of the house is left to be painted? And we know that, guys, this one here is actually considered one whole. This is actually one whole house, right? So if we use one whole minus 2/5, is actually equal to 3/5 of the house, right? 3/5 of the house. So that means this one here, guys, is going to be a combined force. Okay, it's going to be a combined force. Okay, for Tom and Jimmy, right? So this is the part that Tom and Jimmy will do together, right? Tom and Jimmy will do together. So how much can they do together? So since this is 3/10 of the house, okay, we will have to use the remaining house, which is 3/5 of the house, and divide by what they can do per day, okay, which is equals to divided by 3 out of 20. Okay, and then, okay, if you want to do this fraction division, we know that this is 3/5 multiplied by 20 over 3, which is equal to 4, right? Because 20 divided by 5, this is 4. 3 divided by 3, this is 1. Okay, yeah. Okay, so here, what it means here is that the two of them together will take 4 days. Okay, and this one also took 4 days. So total, how many days are there? Who can tell me? Total, how many days? Yeah, it's 8 days, right? Correct or not? Okay, yeah, so it's 8 days. And let me show you through the model. Okay, let me show you through the model. Okay, yeah. Okay, sorry, I'm supposed to share screen. Give me a minute. Why it stopped sharing? Yeah. Okay, for those who have not muted yourself, can you please kindly mute so that your friends can actually enjoy it together with you? Okay, I appreciate that. Yeah. Thank you very much. Okay, let's continue now. Yeah. Okay. Okay. What happened to my screen? Sorry about it, okay? Yeah. What happened to my annotation? Let's see whether I can undo. Oh, yeah, I can't undo this. Okay, but anyway, we have finished that question, but I want to explain a little bit more for that question. Okay, and it is that, look, this is the house that just now we drew. I just want to explain it a lot clearer for you. And just now we cut it into 10, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I want to explain the why. Okay. And then just now we also know that for Jimmy, okay. Okay. For Jimmy, highlight for you.
Benjamin.
Yeah, it's here. Okay. So this is the 4 days that has been done, right, by Jimmy. So what I want to teach you is this part here, guys, which is this same house, because just now we changed it to a denominator of 20, right? So we are going to cut across to make it a denominator of 20, which means that for Jimmy, every single day he would have done 2 out of 20 of the house, 2 out of 20 of the house. I think this part you'll understand. Okay? And then just now, we also know that when they combine together, okay, they did 3 out of 20 of the house. So I want to show you what is going on here so that at least you understand the why. Okay, so do you remember just now I did this part? 3/5 divided by 3 out of 20, which is equal to 4. Okay, so how is it done in this model? So what happened is this part here, we have, okay, so hold on now, 3 out of 20. So look here, guys. Can you see now? This one here is exactly 3 out of 5. And you're going to divide it based on 3 out of 20. So here, this is the first 3 out of 20. Okay. This is the second 3 out of 20. Right? This is the second one. Okay, did I draw correctly? Let me count. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, I draw 2 extra. I'm sorry about that. Huh? Okay, so let me just draw this part for you again. Okay. This part. Okay, so here we are going to cut across again. Okay, so now you can see clearly that here this is another 3 out of 10. Okay, another 3 out of 10. And yeah, this is another 3 out of 10, and this is another 3 out of 10. Okay, so there are 4 of them. Can you see now? Okay, can you see now? So you can let me just erase this for you. Okay, you can see it again. I just cut it across for you again. Okay, and then you have, see, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5 together, day 6 together, day 7 together, and day 8 together. So in case you're wondering why, this is the important part to take note of. Okay, and the main part to do for this kind of question where there are more than one person doing the same job is that you always find what will be one day. Okay, what will be one day for this question? Okay, for that person, another one will be one day for this person. Then you combine, because you calculate based on one day first, because it will help you a lot. Okay, so can we do the next question now, guys? Is everybody good? Anybody have a question for me? No question, right? Okay, so let me just glance at the... Okay, so somebody said the answer is at 4. It's not. Do you know why it's not, darling? Somebody asked why is it 4. It's 8 because you're not looking at the together part. You're looking at you're not looking at the one that's done by Jimmy and Tom. You're looking at the everybody, okay, together.
Yeah, looking at the total.
Yeah. So okay. Hold on a minute, guys. Okay. Okay, guys, let's look at the next question, shall we? Yeah. Okay, let's look at question 12. Okay, can you help me and give me your answers for question 12? You have done it yourself. Let's do question 12 now. Okay? Yeah. Yeah. Maybe you can turn on the aircon so it's quieter for the children. Yeah. Okay, so we are going to look at question 12 now. Can you type for teacher? What's your answer? Okay. Oh, I have some not correct one. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. No, it's for question 12, darling. It is there were 25 more boys. It's this one. Okay. Okay. So some of you got it correct. Okay. Very good. Okay. So I'm going to teach you this question. Okay. So before we do this question, let's read the question. Okay, let's read the question. So there were 25 more boys than girls. Okay? At first. Let's change color now. 32 boys, 32% of the boys and 20% of the girls left the hall, right? So in the end, there were 7 more girls than boys remaining in the hall. And the question asked is, how many boys were there in the hall in the end, right? Okay, so normally for this kind of question, I want you to notice something. I want you to notice that there are the words more than here and also here, right? There are 2 more than. This is the first observation we have, right? So usually for more than, typically we would need to use the concept of comparison model, right? The second thing I want you to take note of is that there is this word called 32%. Notice that, normally I would ask my student, okay, I would ask my student to, like, whenever you see percent and it's a BCA before change after, it's good to change percent to fraction, right? I'm sure your teacher tell you the same thing. Any of you, your teacher tell you the same thing? Yes or no? Yes, right? Okay, because it makes life easier. Leroy will say yes. Good job. Okay, but then do you notice that for this one, it is a little bit, this percent is not a really friendly percent, right? It's a 32, okay? So what I did was I decided that I want to keep the percentage and then work from there, okay? So now teacher is going to show you how to do it, okay? And on iSchool, we have this concept called model and units table, where we combine it. We combine it really just to understand it a bit better. Okay, so how is it done? Okay, just take a look now. So I'm going to take the blue information here. So this is blue. Okay, so we have boy and girl. So since there are 25 more boys than girls, we know that the number of boys will be longer than the number of girls. This one, everybody is clear, right? Right, it's longer. And how much longer is 25 longer? So this will be here. Okay, everybody is good so far? So far, so good? Okay, great. So next one. Then after that, it says this. Okay, do you notice something interesting also? I need to take a highlight to you, which is this one here. Do you notice that this one here is, and this one here is exactly the same in numbers? You understand the concept of this one, right? You already learned it in primary 1 or 2, right? Okay, yes. Okay, then after that, what happened? After that, we will have 32% of the boys left. So I teach you something. The concept I want to teach you, I want you to bring home, one of the concepts I want you to bring home is that you can split this. Okay, you can split this so that you can analyze this and this separately. Don't lump it together. Okay, and also notice that because I do this 100% here will be exactly the same as this 100% here. It's going to be easier to manage also. Okay, so think about it, guys. If this one here is 32%, so we can use 100% here, and then we have to minus the 32%, right? And then what will happen here is 68%. And let's look at this one here now, guys. This is 20% left, right? So this is again, okay, teacher is going to change to pink now. Okay, teacher is going to change to pink now. Okay, let me finish a question first. Okay, Rainier, I saw you raising your hand. I'm very happy that you have question. You are a good learner, okay? So here, this is 100%. And then here, we are going to minus 20%. Okay, minus 20%. And this will be 80%. Everybody so far, so good? Okay, the reason why I do this because I'm going to show you a easy way and like a shortcut way. Okay, it's really, teacher is really into doing it easily and quickly and accurately. Okay, so then you may ask me, then teacher, how are we going to settle this? Teacher, this one is so naughty 25. How are we going to do it, right? So guys, it means that 32% of this 25 also left the class. Agree or disagree? It's like your teacher separating the boys. Okay, let's say this is one big group of boys. These are the naughty groups of boys, something like that, right? So you analyze them separately, okay? So how are we going to find what is 32% of 25, right? Which is very easy. It's like teacher asks you a question now. Think about it. Okay, if let's say you have $25, okay, you have $25 and you want to give 10% to charity, you just have to, you know, which is actually 2.5, right? It's not that scary. So you just have to use 32%, okay, multiply by 25, which is equals to 32 over 100 multiplied by 25, and we will have a beautiful whole number, which is 8. Okay, so what will happen now is that, okay, here, teacher minus an 8 here. Okay? So what happened when you have a 25 minus 8? Yeah, I think some of you are using calculator and try. Okay, don't use calculator. This one can do mental stuff, okay? Yeah, so this one here, guys, this is a 17. Okay, children, if you think that teacher is not, if you call me and teacher didn't really answer you, it's really because I keep the volume low so that if your friends are noisier, you can't hear it. I'm protecting you, okay? Yeah, but if you really have question, tell your mommy and daddy, go to the Facebook group. I will answer any question that we discussed today. Is it okay? Yeah, so don't worry, okay? So now we are done with this. Okay, and then what happened now? What happened now? What did they say now? They say that, okay, let me use my orange color. Okay, so guys, whatever color is based on that sentence that you got it from, okay? We try to do it that way. So in the end, there were 7 more girls than boys. So in the end, what happened? That means the number of girls here will be really longer than the number of boys. Everybody agree with me or not? Agree, right? Yeah. So this is just, teacher is just drawing it so that you understand it. So by how much more? Can you see? It's by this 7 more, right? I think this is 7 more. Okay, this part you understand, right? Easy peasy, right? Okay, then what happened is this, guys. Listen to teacher now. Okay, I need to teach you this because this part is the part that most kids, they get stuck and then they get discouraged. But then, guys, actually you really don't need to get stuck. You know why? You learn it at P2. Okay, you really learn at P2. Can you trust me? Let's try. Okay, one of the tips I have for you is, you know, when you do your question, don't do it super tiny, can? Then you cannot draw things inside. Make it bigger. Make it bigger. Okay? So now, guys, look at this one now. Okay, teacher is going to draw this, okay? And I'm going to draw it a lot bigger, okay? So that your eyes won't have to squinch, okay? Yeah, so here, this is this. And then do you agree with teacher now that this part here is, okay, teacher try to keep it to the same color, yeah? 68%. And then we have 17. So teacher is going to cut this beautifully for you like a cake. And then this is 17. Okay, so this came from this one. It's just the enlarged version. Okay? Then after that, what happened? So this one here, you will have an 80%. Right? Yeah, this is an 80%. So, and we know that the 80% is longer, right? So we're going to draw something longer. And this is 80%. True? Okay, so where's my 80% now? We know that this is exactly this one, right? It's actually talking about this one. So this is 80%. Okay? And we know that the number of girls is 7 more. Guys, do you agree with teacher Julie that this is 7? Yes or no? This is 7, right? Lemon squeezy, easy, right? Correct now. Then, okay, let's do our happy birthday to you card. Okay? So we're going to cut here. Who disagree? Who think that teacher, you wrong? Okay, right? Everybody is good? Correct now. Then after that, what happened here? This one here, isn't it your 17 plus 7? True or not true? Right? And this 17 plus 7, isn't it? This 17 plus 7, isn't it here? Okay, guys, if this is 68%, we know this is 68% already, right? So can you tell teacher Julie now? Okay, what is this? This is how many percent? When you know that this is 80%. So isn't it 80%? Plus or minus 68? Plus or minus? Minus, right? Correct or not? Yeah, very good. I like Laura. I think you're not called Laura, okay? Yeah, you should rename it. Ask me to rename for you, then I can call you. Then I can joke. Okay, so here, guys, this one here. So we know, okay, guys, so I'm going to write here for you. 80% minus 68% is exactly equal to 17 plus 7. So who think that this is actually scary? Raise our hand. No. Who think that actually this way is actually quite easy and fast to apply? Like you learn to split the table. Yeah, Lorita is cheering me on. She raised up her hand. Thank you, darling. Fly kiss for you. Okay. Okay, so then after that, this is 12%. 12%. Okay, so 12% is equals to 24. Okay, and therefore 1% is equal to 24 divided by 12, which is equal to 2. So far, so good. Yeah. So, guys, teacher asked you a question now. Very simple question. Do you realize that once you find 1%, you conquer the world already? True or not true?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, teacher asked a question now. Oh, my sweetie pie here. Did your teacher ever in school tell you it's very important to find that special one? Yay! Only Chase answer. The rest, just find anything lah, is it? No, right? Yeah. Okay, guys. Yeah, today, teacher will keep on repeating like a naggy grandmother. Always find one if you can. What did I say? Always find
1.
Yay! Good job. Okay, 1. So why is it 1 important? Okay, let's solve the question first, okay? So, yeah. Okay, so now, they asked us how many boys were there in the end, right? So in the end, guys, teacher highlight for you, can, darling? So that you can find your things easily, okay? So if you want to find the number of boys in the end, isn't it this one? Correct or not? So you just have to find 68%. So we're going to use, okay, how about we use black pen now? Okay?
Is the answer 153?
68%, yes, darling. Okay, plus 17. So here it will be equal to 68 times 2 plus 17. Okay, sorry for the 4, it's because of the Zoom lag, okay? And then the answer will be 153. Okay, guys, why I say always find 1? Okay, because you'll save your life, okay? Reason. Can you see now that, what if I ask question? I like to ask question, right? What if I ask, how many, okay, like a teacher like ask, okay, how many boys were there at first? Then you have to find how many percent. Okay, type for me now in chat, teacher will check. How to find the number of boys at first? Let's see who can answer. The first 3 person to answer, teacher give you credit. Teacher mention your name. Yeah. Oh, not yet. Not how to find the boys at first. Wow, so many people die. Oh, okay, okay. I see one already. Who's that person? Sorry, the chat is really moving very fast. Okay. Some of you is careless. Okay, guys, I tell you now. Okay, okay. Hannah, okay, I can see Hannah. Hannah, darling, where are you? Okay. Thank you, darling. You're giving me a golden smile again, huh? Okay, it is 100%. Hey, guys, teacher show you now. Okay, some of you got it wrong, so let's be on alert already, huh? It's actually 100% plus 25. Get it now? Yeah. Okay, don't get tricked, huh? Hello, hello, hello. Okay, next question. Give you second chance. Okay, let's not give Hannah a chance already. Hannah, I kick you out. No, I'm just joking. Okay, find out for teacher now. How many girls are there? Ding, 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 ding. How many girls are there? Da, 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 da. At first. Forget to tell you. At first. How many girls are there? Tell teacher now. Let's see who can chat very fast, okay? Just tell me in percentage, can? Okay, first person. Jambessa. Jambessa said 100%. Well done, Jambessa. High five to you, okay? Next question now. Okay, tell teacher Julie now how to find the number of girls in the end. Okay, let's see who's the fastest. Your fingers faster than me opening up the chat. 80%. Wow. All my students very smart. They know, just tell me 80%. I get the idea already. Well done. Okay, 80% is correct. Okay, next one. Let's tell me. Okay, tell me now. How many boys left the hall? This one tricky. Don't say I don't tell you. How many boys left the hall? Okay, I give you a clue first. I see who fall into my trap. I give you a clue. The clue is here. Okay, I'm not kidding. Okay, I'm not bluffing you. It's here, but I see who answer correctly because I think a lot of people will fall into the trap. Oh, you see, I got people didn't fall. Wow, hey, that guy is so fast. Okay, guys. Okay, Snail Boy also got correct. Hey, Snail Boy, your mommy shouldn't worry about you. Like, you're okay one, okay? You just have to have a bit more practice. You're right. It's 32% plus 8. If you put minus 8, I'm going to beat your buttock. Okay? It's plus 8. Because this group of boys left and also this group of boys left. Get it or not? Don't get tricked, because there will be children get tricked. Because they think, minus what? So I must minus law. Not like that, okay? Next one. Last question, okay? Before we go to the next one. The question I want to ask is, okay, how many girls left the group? Haha, how many girls left the group? Okay, let's see who's the fastest. Wow, your fingers very fast. 20%. Tracy, Ethan, Agash, Snail Boy. Wow, a lot. Okay, 20%. Okay, now I ask you another poison question, Ken. Okay, why I ask you so many questions? Have you ever thought of it? Because teacher Julie want you to remember this table is very useful. Who find this table useful to use? Useful, right? Okay, so you learn to make this table yourself, okay? If you really want to practice more, you can go to iSchool. Okay, iSchool have a lot of unit table question. A lot. You just look for model and unit table also can, okay? And inside got 700 videos. Yeah, 700 videos. And it's very cheap. 1 month is only $50. Make good use of it. It's a good investment for just 1 month, okay? We didn't increase the price. We really want to help you in case you need it, okay? So next question now. Last question for this question. The question is, let's see who is really the guru of this question, okay? How many more boys than girls left the hall? Na 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 na. This is a real me, okay? This is a real me, not so nervous me, okay? How many? Let's see. Wow, everybody on the ball now. Wow, I felt like the jackpot is moving. Wow, very good, y'all. Hey guys, must remember write your percent or don't write your percent. I'm going to beat your butter also, huh? Well done. I love all of you. Yay! Very good. Hey, don't give me the answers, teacher. Don't have calculator to count now for you. Just tell me the percent. You are right. Okay, a lot of you are right. Just teacher tells just in case some kids are stuck. So this is, you see, the number of boys is 32% plus 8, right? The number of girls that left is 20%, right? So obviously you have to use 32% plus 8 minus this 20%, which is equals to 12% plus 8. So teacher give you one big warning. The warning is, if you can, don't be dumb, don't be dumb. Don't go and find, the number of boys, let me calculate. Anyway, I got calculator. And then the number of girls is this. Then I use this minus this. When your friends already did this and then found this and then did one step, it's not worth it. Your time is very precious. Can everybody? Okay, yeah. Okay, guys, just to refresh, if you really want to practice this question on iSchool, just go to model and units table. Okay, model and units table. There are a lot there. Okay, and units table, and go and find okay, you want to find percent one, just enter the word percent, you'll come together. Okay. Okay, so is it okay if we go to the next question? Is everybody good? Is everybody learning something or at least revising something? Wow, I like you, Shantosh. Shantosh, I like this. Come again, come and visit me again. Okay, teacher will try to do a few more, okay? At least COVID, I don't want you to be frightened of exam, okay? And then can I give you a stern warning? Since you all come in, I treat you like my student. Guys, normally during your P1 to P5 exam, they are only like very short papers, maybe very short question. It's not like this kind of intensity. So guys, please, you really have to do exam drills there. Because it's like yesterday, teacher Julie, when my husband made me and my family go for a long walk, I almost died. Everywhere was aching. So what I'm trying to say is, please, when your mommy and daddy say, come, still boy, do an exam paper for me. Yes, mommy. Don't shake your head. Okay, if you shake your head, you just say, okay, mommy, I like Auntie Julie, I like teacher Julie, I'll do it for teacher Julie. Okay, still boy? You promise me that you work hard, right? Even though you're not my student? Yeah. Give me a high five. High five. Okay, let's look at the next question now, okay? Shall we? Okay, I want to look at question 11. Can we look at question 11? Hey, sorry guys. Teacher usually arrange it. Thank you, darling. Yeah. Teacher actually arrange it in a way that I think is smoother. So I want to do question 11 now. May I? Question 11, let's look for this one. Okay, guys. Okay, I know A is easy. Okay, A is easy. Can you give me your answer for B? Okay, your B will tell me whether you know how to do. Okay, give me your B. Okay, I see now. Not this one, darling. Then T, you said the wrong question already. Okay, some of you got wrong. The last number is wrong for Nick. Okay, well, no, you got it correct. Why? Then why are you here? Okay, B, you don't know. Okay. Can. Teacher is going to beat people patok again. Wait, Okay. Can. Teacher saw your answers really. So shall we try now? Okay. Sorry, teacher is trying to click my volume and see whether I can hear you a little bit. Okay. I think cannot. Sorry, I'm not very good at having Zoom for such a big class. So please be patient with teacher, okay? Be very patient. Okay, let's look at this question now. Why I want to beat some people batok is this. Guys, can you see this or not? Go and wash your eyes, okay?
Yeah.
Go and wash your eyes, Put detergent, soap. Don't use bleach, You get the idea? Okay. Please check properly, Okay. Can you tell teacher now, tell teacher Julie, what is the concept here? Okay, you type for me in chat. So because I didn't let you all speak a bit. Okay, somebody asked me when may I know when does this end? I don't know. Maybe probably 1 hour and 20 minutes. The previous one is 1 hour and 20 minutes. Okay. Now don't worry, Sanjon. Okay. Okay, what concept is this? Who can tell me what concept is this? I see whether you can recognize concept or not. Nobody answer concept. Everything also unit table. Okay, not bad. Somebody write total unchanged. Equal concept is there. Very clever. Internal transfer, good. Equal stage after. Wow, very steady. Y'all here. Why are y'all here? You can rest already, guys. Okay, but then teacher is just going to tell you how to solve it. How to solve it in a units table way. Is that okay? Can? Okay. So I want you to compare your own table with mine, okay? Your own table with mine, and then we will continue from there, okay? Because everybody know must write table, but not everybody know how to draw a nice table, right? Okay, so first thing first, boxes A, B, and C contain 9.06 kg of sand, right? Okay, so guys, I will write here. Is that okay? All right. A, B, C. Okay, guys, my advice to you is please don't draw a table that's squeezed together and then all the numbers become jumbled up. Okay, then it looks really, 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 really stressful and ugly. Okay, then you have the total. And this one here, the total is 9.06, but because they want the answer in gram, so might as well I just change it to gram for you, okay, which is 9060. Everybody is okay with this? Okay, right? Easy part, yeah? Okay. Then after that, let's look at after that. 1/6. Okay, 1/6 of the sand in A was poured into B. Okay, everybody do teacher Julie a favor. That's why this is actually really a transfer already, right, guys? Transfer. Okay, and for those of you who are like getting 50, 60, okay, is it okay if teacher just give you a crash course? Can or not? Can? Let's revise a bit. Just a crash course right now.
Can.
Thank you very much. Okay, so how to recognize question A to B? Okay, so if it's at a change, you have a -10 and a +10. What concept is this?
Is it total unchanged?
Yeah, okay, right. Write down for teacher unchanged total, right? So if it's unchanged total, you have to create a total column. Can you write down all these notes for me? If you really, really internalize already, then no need to write, okay? I'm okay. Total unchanged. Can? Okay, everybody, write down now. Okay, next text. A and B. -10. What concept is this?
Difference unchanged.
Very good. Unchanged difference, right? Unchanged difference. So that means you have to draw a difference table and then use LCM to make the difference the same. Okay, can you write down for teacher, please? Okay, unchanged difference, okay? So Sorry, our teacher is shivering. The aircon is making me super cold. Okay, so next one. How about another one? Okay. How do you know? Because you minus the same number for both person, right? How about if you plus 10 and plus 10? What concept is this, guys?
Unchanged difference.
Huh? Still, you see? Plus 10 plus 10. Do you know what concept is this?
The difference unchanged.
Yes, different unchanged. Also, you got 3. Or some of you think that is what a got new topic never learned before in PSLE. Those people answer wrongly, huh? Go and write down 100 times and then take photo and send to me. No, I'm just joking. Okay. Okay. Next one. I think there's one more, right? Okay, let's try. A and B. Okay, A minus 10. Nothing happened to B. B is a
Unchanged quantity.
Yay, unchanged quantity. Well done. Unchanged quantity. Write down now. Sorry, I can't see behind. Okay, how about I change my mind? It's not minus 10, it's plus 10.
Plus 10. Unchanged quantity.
Yeah, I like y'all. That means y'all get AL1 for this, you know? Maybe this one get AL4 only. What shit? Come on, we can do better than that, guys. Cannot, right or not? Okay?
Yes.
Only
L6.
Okay. So can we continue for the class already? You understand already? Okay, so we are going to see this one, okay? Okay, so I like my Miss Ping. Let's ask Miss Ping to come out. Okay, so here you have 6 minus 1 equals to 5. True or not true, guys?
True.
Yeah, everybody. Okay, then you minus 1 B. B must plus 1, right? You must record down. Make sense or don't make sense? Everybody is okay, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, so we are going to the next change now, guys. Okay. Okay, then 1/3. Okay, 1/3 of the sand in B goes to C. Everybody understand this, right? So here, I'm going to draw a line so that I don't mix up. I know some of you were like, wow, squeeze together everything in one BC8. Are you crazy? Teacher Julie is not crazy. Teacher Julie is very systematic, okay? So here, it will be 3 minus 1, which is 2. And this one here will be a last one. Everybody is cool or not so cool? Cool, huh?
So there's no fan in here, so how to be cool?
Shantosh, don't be naughty later. Okay, so after that, okay, then let's look at the third information. Okay, after that, the mass of the sand was the same. So what is the meaning of the same? That means, how do you show in ratio what is same? What is to what is to what?
1 to 1 to 1.
Wow, who said that? Oh, thank you. Thank you, Rainier. 1 is to 1 is to 1. Okay? Notice that I did not draw another line. You know why? Because there's no another transfer anymore. Okay? So this part, do you manage to draw this yourself? Who drew exactly like me? Wow, Leroy, are you my student? I don't think so, but good job. Okay. Thank you. Okay, everybody, if you didn't and you have a better way, take a photo, send to me. If it's really good, teacher will say, this is done by this. Okay? We can learn from this guy. Okay? So, okay, the next thing is, okay, teacher just want to highlight to you, if you want to know what is this concept, it is called equal stage after. That means in the end. Do you understand this? Okay, you want to go find on iSchool, you got this question wrong because you didn't know how to do equal stage after, go and hunt those questions and do. Okay. Then the next question is this. What does it mean? What does it mean when this is 1 is to 1 is to 1? Do you agree with teacher? Okay, now this is the the golden key to solving the question. If you get this golden key right, you are going to ha all the way to the bank. Okay? So, which is here, guys? Who disagree with me or agree with me? This one and this one actually represent the same quantity. True or not so true?
True.
True. Very good. I like a lot true. How about this one? This one. This one, is it also talking about the same number? Same mass?
Yes. Yes, it is.
Yes.
True.
Yes. Okay, good. Very good, y'all. So teacher asks you a question now. Since they are the same, who should we get to come into the picture to save our life? What is that person's name?
Total.
Nope.
So multiple.
Multiple. Lowest common multiple, right? Lowest common multiple.
LCM.
Okay.
Oh, that's what it stands for. Keep wondering
Yeah.
what is
Lowest. Okay, it's called lowest common multiple, everybody. Okay? Yeah. Okay. So what is the lowest common multiple of 5, 1, and 2?
6. 10.
10. Very good. It's 10. So, okay, now teacher need you to help me. I get my orange pen to help me, okay? How can we make this 110?
2.
Huh?
Times 2.
Times what? Times 10, right? This one? Times? 10. Very good. Are y'all still awake? Times?
10.
10. Okay. How about this 2? Who can help me now, please?
5.
Right, because you're my teacher now. Okay, guys. This one here? Times? 5. This one here? Times?
10.
This one here? Times?
5.
5.
5.
Okay. Let's go all the way up. This is 5. This is 10. And how?
5.
Times 5, man. Hello. Times 2, right? Yeah. Times 2. Times 2. Times 2.
Times 2.
Okay, for some of the children who don't know what I'm doing is actually I'm trying to make all the boxes the same. That's what I'm doing. Okay? Yeah. Javia, your daddy's an angel. Thank you. Okay, so the next thing is, okay, guys, I know some of you like very messy sotong, okay? So let's not be messy. So what do we do? Okay, can I give you a small little suggestion? If you are messy, okay, you cannot write next to it, and then your brain will go crisscross. You are suffering from a little bit of dyslexia and whatever, okay? Then, can you save your own life? You can draw another table, right? For goodness sake. Like exam say you write 2 tables, they'll kill you, is it? They won't, right? Okay, so you just write another one lah. You just write nicely at the side, so that it's like you have changed. Okay, sorry, I'm very particular about making you clear. So, okay, guys, let's try now. Let's try. Okay, so A is how many unit?
12.
A is how many unit at first? Can you tell teacher Julie?
A is 12.
Well done. Okay, we transfer over already. I'll say bye-bye. This one?
2. Minus 2.
Very good. Then this one?
10.
Minus 10 unit, right? 10 unit.
10.
Okay. Then this one?
2.
2.
Plus
Cannot say
2.
2, okay? Must say plus 2. Guys, must bring a traffic sign to the question. Plus 2 unit. Okay. And then, okay, can you see this one is also 10 unit? No change, right? Okay. Then teacher will just draw a line so that we can still follow. How about this one? This one will be how many unit? Easy, right? 15 unit minus
5.
5 unit.
equal
10 unit.
10.
very good 10 unit. And we know this is 10 unit, right?
Yes.
How about this one? Okay, we
Plus
transfer.
5 unit.
I just want to make sure that you
Plus
know where I got it from. This
5.
one what will happen?
Plus 5 unit.
Plus 5.
Very good. I like this class. Well done.
10
Okay,
unit.
now we transfer. Can you see now? Equal stage after 10 U. Got light bulb or no light bulb?
Got.
Got a lot of light bulb, right? Okay, guys. Okay, let's fill in the missing things. Okay, let's fill in the missing thing. So if this is 15, okay, let's imagine that Ashlyn has 15 umbrella here. Okay, a nice boy gave her 2 beautiful umbrella before that. So at first, Ashlyn got how many umbrella?
13. 13.
Very good. Ashlyn must say thank you to your savior. 13 unit. Okay, how about this one? This one here is 10 unit. Okay, somebody gave 5 unit. So how much
15.
did C have at first?
15.
5. Oh, wait, no.
Alright.
No, 5, sorry. So, working backwards. Working backwards.
15, I want to cry leh.
Oh.
Working backwards, that's why 5.
Jia is laughing already. He said, how come my friend so joker say 15, right? Jia, high five. We all think they are jokers, right? Okay, so guys, can you see now? This plus this plus this is 30U now, everybody.
Yeah.
And this one, if you see carefully, this is also 30U. Got light bulb, no light bulb? Got light bulb, right? Okay, So guys, sorry, our teacher is very, very particular about neatness. So I'm going to clean this so that you have a bit more space so that teacher can explain and I really do my best for you, okay? So if a stranger who don't even know you will do my best for you, how much more do you need to do your best for your daddy and mommy and for yourself? Correct or not? Okay?
More
Wow,
than strangers.
your daddy is so cool. Okay. Yeah, hello. Okay. Okay, thanks. So everybody, you understand this? Okay. And then I need to give you a gentle reminder. Some of my students very blah blah one, you know. They really make so much effort to do this. Then they ask for like what's the mass of B? Then they happily write 6 unit. Then I cry when I see it. Correct or not?
They want effort.
Basically, what I'm trying to say is, guys, please, 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 in your brain, get rid of this already. Hello. Focus on this. This is your superpower, the U power. Are you clear? U channel, U power. Okay? Okay. So now, okay, sorry. Let's continue. Okay. One more thing I want to highlight to you is this. Hello. This question, even touch wood, if you don't know how to do. Okay? Actually, this one can do, right? Even you don't know how to draw this table, let's say touch wood. Can you do this one? You can, right? Because the total is already 9060. So you don't even need to draw this table to do A, right? True?
Is it because you divide by 3?
Of course. Very good. So here, A. Let's do A now, everybody. So it is 9060 divided by 3 is equals to
3020.
Everybody got light bulb or no light bulb? Must be in gram. Okay, don't come and tell me, teacher, I lost my AL1 by half mark. Why? Oh, actually, teacher, they said gram, I put kg. Then I say, good for you. Thank God you make this mistake before your PSLE. Hey, you know? And I tell you one more thing. I don't believe in careless mistake. I really don't believe in careless mistake. You have careless mistake is because you don't have enough practice to make all types of mistake that your brain could have made because your brain misunderstood some information. There is no careless mistake. Go and practice a bit more. There is no such thing as careless mistake. Okay, wake up, huh?
Practice on annotation.
Yeah, practice on annotation. You're right. Okay, so we finished A already. Let's do B. Okay, guys, we know that 30 okay, we know that what is okay, we know that 10U, right? 10U is what? Okay, let's make life easy. 10U is 3020, right? Make sense? Then we can find 1U. Make sense? Which is equals to 3020 divided by 10. Iranian, later you have question, later you say behind, teacher help you. Okay? Yeah. Okay, I'll be there for you, I promise. Okay, 302. So what did the question ask now? How much is the mass of sandbox in B? So where is it? Isn't it here? Make sense or don't make sense? Okay, I know in the exam answer key, they didn't do it this way. Of course I know. Okay, but then you think about it. Why did I do it this way? It's because this way is foolproof to find anything I want. Okay, but let's do the B first, okay? So 13 unit, guys, is equal to 13 multiplied by 302, and it becomes 396 gram. Okay? Yeah. Okay, so teacher asks a question now. Okay, let me prove to you why. Okay, let's have fun. I don't want answers. I only want unit. Can? I only want unit. Do you understand my instruction? So once you write answers with no unit for the questions that I'm going to ask later, I remove you from the group. Say bye-bye to me. See you next week. See you on Tuesday. Okay. gosh, no, I'm just kidding. Your eyes open as big as a goldfish already. Okay. So let me ask you a question now. Okay, who can answer? Teacher's looking at all your chat now. Okay, I'm opening up the chat. Okay, my first question. Hey, Gerard, teacher miss you, darling. I saw your answers. Okay, so first question. Tell me now, what is the mass of box A at first? Come on. Wow, very good, Jeremy. First one. Teacher always give the first answer, 12 unit. Okay, well done, guys. Here, okay. Next one. What is the mass of box C at first? Okay, JV is the first one. Okay, guys, your finger must be very fast. You must even guess what is the next question I'm asking, okay? Next one. How much is heavier? How much is B heavier than A? Answer in unit. Wow, Charlene is the first one. Charlene know what I want to ask already, okay? Next one. What is the mass, say, of B and C in total at first? 18 unit. Very good, guys. Give yourself a clap. You have mastered reading a units table effectively. I will give you a certificate at the end of the lesson. It's a joke. My certificate is a kiss from me, okay? You get the idea. Okay, you understand now? Everybody okay? Are you learning something today? Can you tell that I'm doing my best for you? Who can tell? Everybody can tell? Okay, great.
Me.
Okay. Okay, wow, you raise up your hand. So sweet. Thank you very much. Okay, so next time, master your units table. Okay, master it. It's really, really useful. Really, really useful. Teacher has been using units table for 20 years already, guys. You think unit table is new? No, I was one of the first person to use it. And I tell other tuition teacher. Because loving is sharing. If I can share with you, of course I can share with other tuition teacher, right? Okay. Next one, because it's impossible to touch all the lives that I want to touch, right? Other tuition teacher also very good, what? Right or not? Okay? Okay, so let's look at question. Okay, we finished it. Okay. Oh, Gerard is your friend. Yeah, he's so good looking, huh? Okay, guys, teacher asked a question. Do you need toilet break or not? You need or not? If you need toilet break, I give you 1 minute. Who needs toilet break? Just as long as I got 3 people raise hand, I'll let you go for the toilet break. Okay, 1 person only, 2 person. Okay, guys. Okay, 3 person. Okay, go for toilet break. Teacher give you 1 minute. Quickly come back. Yeah. Okay, go for your toilet break. Go and drink some water. Okay, your brain needs a lot of fluid. Yeah. Okay, Charlene asked me how many questions will I go through. Charlene, teacher has 2 more only. I won't go through so many. I think you'll be fried after that. Only 5. Yeah, I know some very nice tutor, they will do 3. I'm just a bit more kiasu than them, that's all. Okay? Yeah, I do 5. Normally in my tuition class, we do the whole paper. Yeah, we do paper 1 and paper 2, right or not? Hannah?
Really?
Right, teacher is xiao. So if you really didn't do a lot, you die lor. But here no choice. In 2 hours you have to cover. Sometimes we overrun. Okay, Tracy asked me, what is the tips? I got only 94. My question to you is, where do you lose your 6 marks? Can you answer my question first? Where do you lose your 6 marks? That 6 marks is really because you don't know that question, you never seen it before, or you just make a careless mistake. Tracy, can you answer me? Yeah. Daddy can off the fan or off the aircon. It's either one, so cold. Yeah. Mistake. Okay. Then, sorry, just now I told you, right? I don't believe in mistake. Okay, I don't believe in mistake. I only believe in you haven't made that kind of mistake that you will make sooner or later. So, my suggestion is maybe another 2 or 3 exam drill. See whether you make similar mistake. If you make similar mistake, just go to that topic and do that kind of question that is that mark range. Okay, yeah. I still got a lot. Okay, since you're getting 94, my suggestion is, if you want, you can whack all the level 3 high school question, because some of them are really killer. My student, you can ask them, when they do, they sweat. Right or not, huh? Everybody like blushing when they do, they sweat, because it's really, some of them quite hard. But and then another suggestion is, you should try to do the high school PSLE series. Yeah, PSLE series, so that you get used to it, because they are set by the PSLE setter, right? Yeah. I got full mark for prelim. Wow, so good. Can you teach us how you do it, so we all learn your strategy? Don't worry, there's no competition. Everything now is AL. Nobody will kick anyone out of the other AL, okay? No, thank you. Okay, guys, can I say something? Okay, you're shy. Okay, can. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. Okay, guys, can I tell you something? I used to have a student. Now she's already studying to be a doctor. You know what she did? From in her primary school last time, she was like maybe level position at first. Before the tuition, she was like 10 plus. So she suddenly just zoom to the first in position. No, and you know what's a secret? Can I share with you? You want to know why she became top? I tell you why. What she did was, okay, don't tell people it's a secret. No, like it's no secret. Okay, is everybody here? Everybody's here. The secret is be kind. What she did was she partnered with another. Okay, what she did was she partnered with another student who was weaker than her. So they studied together. So my student who's becoming a doctor now, she will teach her. No, yeah. Do you know what's the best way to learn something is to teach someone? Go and find someone like in my tuition class there's a pair of best friend, Hannah and Charlene. They will support each other. They will tell me, teacher, I want to go Zoom room with Hannah or Charlene, and then we want to work it out together. So guys, find a partner, preferably someone weaker than you, so that you can teach them. Don't teach them the wrong things lah, because you will become super clear. You need to be very clear before you can teach someone. Okay, so I give you a secret. So if you really, really want to do well, be kind. Yeah, teacher really believe in being kind. So
Okay,
what
teacher,
happened?
I'll ask my only friend become my Guruji already.
Wait, I forgot to say. So you know what happened? My student who was teaching the other friend, right? She went to RGS. Then the other friend also did very well, because they have mutual support. So she got 251 for PSLE. So she went to Viva Valley. I think both of them are already adults. Yeah, teacher have been teaching for many years. Okay, so guys, if you really, really want to score very high marks, teach someone. Okay, don't be selfish, because somehow God will bless you. Okay? Yeah. Okay, guys, can we move on already? I don't want to hold people back. I think the toilet is long enough. Unless you have one toilet and 10 people queuing outside. Okay, guys, so can we go to question 17 first? Can or not? Can we? Let's do 17, okay? Okay, Akash eyes very big again. Okay. Question 17. Can you just help me? Give me an answer for B. Then teacher will know. Yeah, you're welcome, Joshua. Do you conduct online class? Yes, all my classes are online. Okay, yeah, it's okay. 45. Okay, you're 45, you can go home already, guys. No, I'm joking. Okay, yeah, 45 is correct, huh? But then I'm going to show you, I don't know how you do it. So I'm going to show you how I do it so that those people who are in AL123, they actually can like pick up more tools. Teacher is giving you more tools so that when you go exam, you have more tools, you can fix more things. Is it okay? So I can start now, huh? Okay. Dawn, is that you? Yeah, I hope it is the dawn. I miss a certain beautiful dawn. Yeah, okay, but let's continue, okay? Yeah, okay. Let's do not this one. I want to do this one. Okay, guys, this one very scary, right? Who find that it looks a bit scary? Will you like see it and then I don't want to do already so long.
Teacher, if you ask me last time in P2, probably I would say scary. Now just mutual.
Mutual
Like-
idea. Steady
No
line.
expression.
to like
I look like this when I doing.
Very good. Okay, guys, I tell you something. Sometimes long question are easier to do than short question.
yeah.
Yeah,
you
because
just have
the
to
more
read it by
yeah,
part.
Ethan say yes. These are all the expert, right?
Like for
But
example,
JV,
you
your
can
sister is a good dancer. Steady. After the class, can ask her to dance for us. That's okay.
like one way is that you read part by
Maybe,
part.
okay? Yeah. Okay, can we start now? Is it okay, everybody? Got my babies here? Okay, let's start now. Thank you for still staying with teacher, okay? We still have 2 more questions, so we hurry already. Okay, we try. Okay, I want to show you some strategy. That's the main reason why I want to do this question also, okay? So Bala had red, yellow, and blue beads. Right, so teacher will write it here for you, okay, guys? Bala have red, yellow, and blue beads. Everybody okay with this? Easy, right? Okay. Yeah. Okay. Somebody name themselves blah, blah, blah is a failure. Nobody is a failure in my class. Everyone is a champion. Everyone is a warrior. Okay, so please rename yourself because you're not. Okay, so the ratio of the number of red. Yes, darling. Let me finish the question first, Ken, huh? Okay, the number of red beads to yellow beads. So we have red here and yellow is 2:3. Okay, so I'm going to write here 2:3. The thing I want to highlight to you is, guys, make sure you're careful. Huh? Sometimes the teacher is very cunning, you know. Instead of saying the number of red to yellow, they said yellow to red. Then you happily write 3 here, 2 here. Then you cry, lor. You really cry. By the time you finish the question, alamak, ding dong. Please put your pencil down. Okay, so be careful. Okay, always check.
No.
Okay, so let's continue. Yeah, hello Don, I love you. I have never stopped loving you. Okay, so next one, the ratio of the number of yellow to blue. So we have yellow to blue. This is 4:1. Everybody is okay with this one? Yes or no, guys? Can yeah. Okay. So, okay, ladies and gentlemen, all my expert panel here. What concept is this? Hello.
Repeated identity.
Wow, so fast. Very good. Agash cannot wait already. Okay.
Basically, one variable unchanged.
Yeah,
One variable
he's
unchanged.
on fire already. Yeah. So what must we do now? Since we know this.
Yellow's the
Yellow
one.
the same.
Yellow's the one variable
We make this
unchanged.
the same.
Right?
Right?
Make them
Same is what?
find the common nearest common multiple.
Guys, you're all very excited, but let the mommy and daddy listen too, okay? Because some of your friends' parents are really helping their children. They are amazing. Sometimes they take leave to help their children. So let's make sure that we take care of them, huh? So this one here is 8:12:3. Everybody okay? So far so good, right? Okay. So let's continue, okay? So we continue now, So which is this one? Okay, we finished this one already, guys. So he then bought some. Wow, I love this word some, man. Some means beep already, okay? Wake up already, some. Okay? Blue beads and gave away. Teacher change color. Teacher is a change color freak, so you can follow me. Gave 9 red beads to his brother. Okay? So far so good. Then in the end, what happened? In the end, the ratio of the red beads. Hey, sorry, I cannot use orange. It's a sin to use orange. Okay, I use that green. Okay, so the ratio of red is to total of yellow and blue. It's 1:6. Okay, guys, I'm going to skip the middle part first, okay, because I need to show you another concept. Okay, you already know this one here is repeated identity, right, guys? Okay, repeated identity. Write down how to recognize. Write down in your math Bible. Make sure you have a math Bible around and also make sure that you go and look at all your school math folder. Do it until they become toilet paper. You must get that clear yet, because no point you do a lot of questions, you have a lot of hole in your maths folder. No point. Okay. So now, guys, you have red. Okay, I'm going to do the dark green part because I want to teach you something important from the dark green part. Okay, so we have red, yellow. Yeah, sorry guys, you know, teacher is like, I want to be super neat for you, right? I want to do my best for you, so you must do your best for me. So yellow and blue. Everybody okay with this part? Okay, so red here, guys, this is 1. Correct or not? And then they say yellow and blue, this is 6. Everybody understand me? Yes or no? Okay, and then I have another thing to highlight to you. Do you see teacher Julie do this? Dot, dot, la, dot, dot, la. Did I do this? No, I don't do this, okay? Yeah, you just have to make sure that there's ample gap. Okay, there's ample gap. Okay, then the next thing is this. The next thing, what color should I use? I run out of color, guys. Okay, bye-bye, Debbie. You can watch the video later if you want, okay? Yeah, so this is 2:3. So can you see now this will be 2:3? Right. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, just based on this, what is the concept here?
Identity. Repeated identity.
Repeated identity.
Yeah, it's also a type of repeated identity, right? But the only thing is that this one here, okay, is a pair of busybody. It's not one busybody, it's one pair. They gang up a gang up monster, okay? So here, if you want to find it on iSchool, it's called combine because they combine force. Repeated identity.
To make the total the same.
Yeah, you need to make the total the same. Okay. Teacher just show you how to find those concepts. Is it okay? Just a very quick one, okay? Just bear with teacher. See, I prepared for you because I didn't want to take up your time. Okay. So let me just clear this quickly first. Okay, so guys, if you want to find a question on combined repeated identity with units table, just remember to put a comma here, okay? And then you click search. Okay, they'll come out already, guys. They'll come out already. So you go and practice those questions. Understand now? Okay, yeah. But you have to do your max folder first, in case you want to do more. Then, for example, you want to do all the PSLE question that's already in iSchool. Okay, all the PSLE question in iSchool, can I be honest? They are real PSLE question. It's just that I changed the number, I redraw the picture, I change it a little bit, but the meat is the same. So if you really want to, practice, you just click PSLE. Let's say you are already trying to get AL1 or 2. So you just put comma and then you put level. Let's say you put level 3, okay? Okay, yeah, so they will find for you. There's a lot, you see? I put it down for you. Okay, they are all the PSLE questions. Okay, if you have done enough, you can recognize one. Okay, there's a lot. So okay, then one last thing to teach you. Okay, if you want to find question, there's video. Okay, like you really have no time, but you really need some crash course. Okay, if you don't want to go for those like other tuition center, enrichment, boot camp, whatever, they here got boot camp already, enough to make you work very hard. You just click video, okay? So they will find all the question with video for you. Understand now? Yeah, so don't feel that there's no help. There is help, okay? Yeah, Rainier later, okay, Rainier? Yeah, okay. So let's continue with that question. Okay, I just wanted to show you this. Then another thing to show you, did I show you? Oh yeah, I show you the PSLE already. Okay, that I think is enough. Yeah, okay, and then one more thing, can I just show you very, very quickly? Because I don't want to, yeah. And in the next few sessions, maybe we have new friends come in. Is it okay if I just tell them quickly next time? Because they won't know, okay? So if you really want, you can actually do the PSLE. This is my own account, so it looks horrible, okay? So if you want, you can actually go and try your P6. Okay, so if in your P6, can you see PSLE? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Okay, I tell you, they are real PSLE question. But I changed the numbers already. I changed the question a bit. Understand? So you really want to know your rough PSLE score? Try. Okay? Yeah. So I go back to the lessons now, okay? Yeah.
I
Okay.
think I did all the PSLE paper, 1 to 5.
Wow, that's cool. Oh, you did, huh? You're so cool. Okay, okay. Okay, let's continue this one first, okay?
Thing. My
Yeah.
mom tell me to.
Okay, okay, Shantosh. Let's continue first. If not, everybody cannot go home. Okay, so here, okay, so can you see now? Okay, so for those who are not familiar with combined repeated identity, the key idea behind it is that, okay, I just show you the why so you understand. Okay, a very quick one. So this one here, guys, this is 6. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? 6. Okay, and then here, thanks, Kaya. Oh, you did it already, huh? Wow, you're steady. So this one here, I'm proud of you. Okay, so this one here is 5, right? Well, so what it means is this one here, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you must remember that they are exactly the same in quantity, okay? It's just like you go IKEA, you tell Daddy, Daddy, I want to go IKEA buy 6 green table. Then later you tell Daddy, Daddy, I changed my mind, I want 5 pink table because it looks so cute. But it's the same price. Daddy said, okay, up to you. What color you want, it's okay. 5 or 6 also okay. It's the same price, okay? So the key thing is find the LCM of the 5.
5 and 3. 6 and 5 and 6.
5 and the 6
Okay.
is
13.
30. So why is it 30? Let's show the class, because here you times 5, right? So here you have 5u, 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 5u. Here you got 6u, 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 6u. Can you see now? In the end, this is 30u, and this is also 30u. So you don't have to be afraid of combined repeated identity. It's nothing new. It's nothing new. Okay, and then here, this red one is actually just one box. And since every single box you can put 5 umbrella, so here you also can put 5 umbrella. So what it means here is you all times 5 here, and here you times 5 here. Everybody okay? And here, okay, you times, okay, hold on. Sometimes, okay, yeah, I'm correct, huh? Here you times 6. Sometimes teacher is nervous, okay? Yeah, so here, if you tabulate it, this will become 5, this is 12, this is 18. Everybody, so far so good? You love it now? Okay? Okay, now we are going to combine the two, like shampoo, like 2 in 1. Shampoo and conditioner combined. Okay, so look at what I do carefully. I'm going to change all to black pen. So here, I'm going to put, notice that I did not put any U yet. I have a reason for it, okay? I need to check something important. So I'm going to tell you what I'm going to check. So you have red, yellow, blue. Okay, this is the before, right? So we have 8, 12, and 3. Everybody understand me? So basically in my brain, I don't need to see this anymore, but I don't want you to cross it. The reason is because in case exam, you got it wrong, you can go back and check. Later you cross it, you can't see what you have written. Then I cry for you. Okay, then this is the B for before, right? And then let's look for the after. The after is actually from here. This is 5, this is 12, this is 18. We are very lucky for this question, to be very honest, because this is the same. That means we have already cut both before and after into the same number of boxes. Okay, so which means that we can actually call this unit. We are safe to do that. Okay, we are safe to do that. Okay, yeah. And then after that, okay, let's go back to this part. You bought, bye-bye Leroy, bought some blue beads. So that means blue beads you have to plus. And can you guess you plus how many? 3 unit to 18 unit, you plus 15 unit. Yeah. Then here it says that you give 9 red beads away. So it's actually a minus 9 here. Everybody got light bulb or no light bulb?
Minus 3.
Oh,
Yeah, okay. So here,
that means 9 is 8 minus 5 unit.
correct. Well
Then
done.
1 unit is 3.
Yes, yes. So here, 8 unit. Very good, Gerard. Thank you for helping me. 8
Answer is 54.
is equals to 9. Okay, I need to highlight something important to you. Very important. Listen to me. Notice this. This is ratio number. This is ratio number. This is ratio number. This is the only number. This is the key. I repeat, this is the key to find 1 unit. Nick, did I frighten your yes? No, huh? Okay, so it is the key to finding 1 unit. This number, sometimes in class, we will just call it I love you number. It's like the number that saved your life. I love you number. I'll ask my class, guys, where's the I love you number? Then they will tell me sometimes, yeah. Okay, so guys, 3 unit is equals to 9. And therefore, 1 unit is equals to 9 divided by 3, which is equals to a 3, right? Okay, guys, I suggest to you strongly, importantly, okay, whenever you find your 1 unit, you should either box it or highlight it, okay? Because it saves your life. You don't have to go look at all your papers. Some of you are a bit messy. Where's 1 unit, huh? Okay, go and box it. Learn to box your 1 unit, okay? Very important. Okay, so guys, sorry, let's go back to this one. A, let's do A now. Find the ratio of the red beads to the yellow beads to the number of blue beads, right? Okay, which will be, the answer is here, right? 8 is to 12 is to 3. Okay, sorry, teacher skipped to part B already because I think you all know part A, so that's why I didn't really teach. Hey, if I'm an evil teacher, you know how to do? I will change this at first. If I'm evil lah, I change it to in the end. I will kill half the student already. True or not true? Miss Evil But okay, this teacher quite kind lah.
Snap.
No, what's the moral of the story? The moral of the story is question 17. Some of you are weak. Don't dare to go and see. Go and see, look lah. Okay, as long as you don't stay there for too long. Then another thing I must remind all of you is this. Teacher got a friend, he's very good in math and he loved to solve. But you know what happened during PSLE? He found a question that he really wanted to solve. So he solved and he solved and he solved and he solved. And then guess what happened to the rest of the question?
What time to finish?
He can't finish. So did he get an A?
No.
So guys, okay, remember what I tell you today? Quick one. PSLE is like a lot of money thrown on the floor. You go and pick the money that's easy to take first. Don't take that $100 note that's super good on the floor already. Go and take the rest first. Are you clear? Okay? Collect your points as much as you possible because especially at AL 1 to 3,
Okay.
every mark count, okay? Okay, guys, is it okay if okay, let's look at how many blue bits did he buy? Isn't it here?
Yeah.
The
Yeah.
number of movies he bought is like 15 years, so 15
Correct.
times.
Very good. Is it okay if teacher just go to the next question? I'm going to ask you how many red beads are there? Red and yellow beads are there. How many more yellow beads than red beads? Is it okay? Can we move?
Yeah.
Idea already, right? You know how to use the unit table already, right, guys?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, we do one last question already. Okay, do you all still have motor or not? You want me to stop or not?
Don't worry, I took a
Oh, don't stop.
nap.
You're still hot,
It lasts for a while.
Okay, one last one. Come, push. Okay, everybody.
I took a nap. I
Can we
can
do it
laugh.
together? Charlene is like, teacher is crazy again already. Charlene always like to laugh.
Yeah, pretty crazy.
Let's do it, okay? Let's do it. Your brain exploded, Good. When your brain explodes, it's a good thing, okay?
Don't worry, I'm equally as crazy.
Okay, yeah, you good. Okay, I like you. Okay, let's do one last question, okay? So if you really want another session, you must tell your mommy to put in Facebook, okay? And then tell me. Can? Yeah. Okay. Next one, guys. I'm proud of you. You are the 80 people who refuse to die. You are the warriors today. Okay? Yeah. Okay, let's fight. Okay, guys, can we do one last question? I leave it to the last because I know this one a lot of people sure don't know. Okay, or sure struggle. Can? Okay, this question looks like numbers times value, but it's hard to solve with numbers times value. Okay? If you concentrate, I can do it in like how many minutes? I think I can do
Yeah,
it in
I did model and I got both correct.
Well done. I know you're really fighting for yourself. Okay, let's do this one now. A quick one. Okay, Mr. Sammy sold 4 times as many iPad as laptop, right? So let's put iPad here and let's put laptop here. Everybody okay with this?
Yes.
Okay. And this one here will be 4
Yeah.
is to 1. And we are talking about the number. True or not true? Right, number. It's not that they bought 4 and 1 only. It's not. It just means 4 group and 1 group. Okay? Okay. Then next one. Okay, mommy, you may need to mute yourself. You want to talk to your child, yeah? Thank you, darling. Okay, so then after that, what happened? The amount collected for all the iPads sold, okay, was 3,480 more than the amount collected for all the laptops sold. This one here is actually the total value, guys? Okay, notice what I did, okay? Because this is not your typical numbers times value. So what I'll do now is I will just draw your comparison model so that you understand better, okay? So I am not against using model in the table as long as it helps you have a light bulb. Okay, so here, this one here will be, so teacher draw for you, 3, 4, 8, 0. This one here will be this. Everybody okay with this? Very beautiful, right? Teacher tried to be neat. So you ask yourself, are you neat or not? Okay. Then here you have the value. What's the value? The value is the price of each, guys. So let's look at the laptop. The laptop will be this one minus 3 sorry, and 3 to 4, because laptop is more expensive, ma. That means the iPad is like that. Everybody okay? Notice that, you see I always use different color and things like that. True? Okay, why teacher takes so much time to draw this for you? Because I want to tell you something. Why we cannot use numbers times value to solve this question? Because there are 3 unknown. There is a hidden unit here. We don't know the price here. We don't know this yet. Too many things. Do you understand? So whenever you recognize like that, okay, and now I teach you how to recognize this naughty question. Usually they will say a certain group and a certain group. They will tell you 2 items with 2 groups. Unless you very sway, exam come out 3 groups, which I have hardly seen before, so don't worry, okay? So here, this is how to recognize it, okay? They will tell you, they'll compare the groups of laptop and 2 items. The second thing is that is very obvious is they will use this word more and this word more, or you see more and less. Okay, or less and less. It doesn't matter because that is only for you to draw comparison model. So don't think that, oh, less. Teacher Julie never teach me, I got headache. It's the same lah. I am 10 kg more than your mother, means your mother 10 kg less than you, me lor. Correct or not? Okay, so everybody is clear with this part? Can I continue now? Okay?
Teacher,
Yes.
what does NV and DV mean?
Oh, thank you, Candice. You're paying attention. Let me write for you because I know you never attended my class before. Okay, write down, darling. This is number. This is value. Candice, you are a good girl, okay? You don't know me and you dare to ask. I'm very proud of you. Okay, I'm very proud of you. You will do well in secondary school because you are in the company of strangers, but you have bonus. You are a bold child. High five. Candice? Yeah, okay. So, okay, guys, can I continue now? Okay, so, okay, where's the most possible I love you number is the one that we have not used, which is this one, 8,400. Get it now? So 8,400 belongs to which row? First row? No lay. Second row? A bit lah. Third row? Yes, man. Right, so this one here, guys, this is the total. And this one here will be my 8400. Everybody got light bulb or not? Understand the why? Then we can solve this one now. You can solve this one now. Okay? Yeah. Then teacher will tell you why you must solve this one. Okay? Teacher will tell you must memorize a bit on how to solve. Okay, so I write down for you now for this type of question. Step 1 is here. Okay? So what you will do is you can use, we have to find the value here and the value here, right? So teacher will just going to show you, because I think some of you will be sleepy already. Minus 3480, and then the whole thing you divide by 2, which will give you 2460. So guys, this is 2460 and this is 2460. Everybody okay with this? Got light bulb, no light bulb? Okay? Yes. Okay, then do you understand that that means this is all the amount that I paid for all my laptops, and this is all the amount that I paid for all my all my iPad here and all my laptop. Everybody okay, huh? Go and move already, huh? Okay, guys, I need to teach you one important concept here. And the easier way to teach you this is not to call it unit. Okay, the easier way to call it is to call it set. There are 4 sets of iPad and 1 set of laptop. Get it now? And to buy this 4 set of iPad, that means this money that you have, this money that your papa gave you, you have to divide it by 4. 1 set for here, 1 set of the money for here, 1 set of the money for here, and 1 set of the money for here. Understand or don't understand? And therefore, okay, this money here is only to buy that 1 set of laptop. You can tell that the laptop is going to be very expensive for sure. Okay? Yeah. So then the next question you want to ask teacher is, teacher, why I need to do that? Why, teacher? Why? Okay, I explain to you now. I write the set first. Sorry, it's a bit messy, but I hope you bear with teacher Julie, okay? Set. And this set. Because they give us the price of each. So my job really now is to find out how much is 1 set of this and how much is 1 set of this, which we already found, because we know the difference in the price is because of the difference in the price of the laptop and iPad. Teacher will draw the model for you later, so you don't worry, okay? So you just follow teacher, okay? So look, 4 sets of iPad. Okay, 4 sets of iPad is equal to 2460, which is here. I've got it from here in case you blah blah here. Okay, plus 3480. Right?
3480 equals to 5940.
5940. This is for 4 set. Okay, then for 1 set, how much will it be?
5940 divided by 4.
Right, okay.
1485.
Yeah,
40
1485.
divided by 4. Okay, sorry, this is
1485.
yeah. Okay, which is what?
1485.
Guys, thank you for saving me. It helps me a lot. Okay, guys, I'm going to write there in purple for you. So, don't want purple because I think you'll get confused. I'll use green because I've never used green here. So, darling, can you see now this one set is 1485? All right. And this one set is 2460, right? Okay, so let's compare this and this. How much more is 1 set of laptop than 1 set of iPad? We just have to use
975.
4
2460 minus
Yeah,
1485.
2460 minus
minus
1485.
1485.
975.
975 divided by 325
Guys,
girls.
hey guys,
Yes, three sets.
Hello. Teacher know that you're eager, but you must understand some of your friends, they cannot hear you. Some kids, if it's noisy, they have overload in their brain. Let's be kind to them, okay? So it's 975. And so teacher asks you a question now. Can you see that one laptop is 325 more? So that means this one must be because there are a few laptops there. Teacher will draw the model for you later. You don't worry, okay? You just follow teacher first, okay? So this one 975, okay, minus divided by 325 is equals to 3. Okay, I show you the y now. Listen to me very carefully. Okay, imagine that teacher Julie is really want to buy laptop. Okay, so what happened is this is the price of the iPad and the laptop. Can you see now? For one iPad, I buy iPad. Okay, I will buy one laptop. And because of this, I have to pay an extra 325. Do you understand now? So if I buy another one iPad, because they are equal number, that means here this laptop will be another 325. Okay? And then one last one, laptop again. And then here you have another 325. So when you add this 325 together, this whole thing, teacher change color again, dark green. This whole thing now, sorry, I forgot to draw your iPad so that you don't get lost on iPad. So can you see now? There are 3 iPad here and 3 laptop here, and this one here will be 975. You get the idea or not? So what it means is this, guys, we have used the total extra in one set divided by the price between one laptop and one iPad, okay, to find out how many items is in one set. So what it means is in one set of laptop, there are 3 laptops. In one set of iPad, there are 3 iPad. And because there are 4 sets here, it will be 12. Understand or don't understand? Okay, so this sort of question like to ask you things like, how many iPad did he buy? So you must know it's from here. How many laptop did he buy? You choose here. How many more iPad than laptop did he buy? You use this minus this. They also can ask you question like, how much is one laptop? You just find this one. You already found it, what? Because you know this is 325. You already know that, guys, this whole thing, you know that this whole thing is how much now? Right, which is actually that one set, right? Then you can find your iPad or you can find your laptop. It's very easy. You need me to show you? You need me to show you? No need, huh? Okay, so guys, so if you want to find this sort of question, it is called, I think in high school, we actually, you can put set, comma, LCM. There are really, I think about 3 or 4, at least this kind of question there, so you can practice, okay? Yeah, so guys, is today okay? Are you still breathing?
For 16,
You are
B,
lying.
what's the answer?
16 ah. Oh, I
Yeah,
forgot
B.
the 8. How much money is collected for all the iPads? It's here on the link. Yeah, it's
No,
here.
the B, the part B, part
B
B.
is 3 ma.
B is 3.
There,
Oh.
it's here. Teacher solved it already. But thanks for asking. This is 3. Okay. And this one here is 5940. You see, guys,
5940.
if it's 5940, you know that you bought 12 iPad. You can use this divided by 12 to find out the price of one iPad, right? It's easy, right? You get the idea? Okay.
Yeah.
So guys, thank you so much for coming in for me. If you want it some more, we can do it on Tuesday or Friday. Y'all choose, okay? Yeah. So remember what I say, go and help someone. Okay, go and teach someone. Don't worry. Okay, and then remember, you are unstoppable. And one more thing. I love you guys. I see you again,
Arigato.
okay? Try to come in and see me. I love you guys. Work hard. Yeah, give me a heart
Thank
shake.
you. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Arigatou gozaimashita.
Bye-bye. Thank you for working hard.
you.
Love you
Bye.
guys. Yeah. Bye-bye. Bye, Banky.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Bye,
Bye.
Dawn. Bye, Kia. Bye-bye. Wow, everybody is leaving so fast. Bye, Jia. Yeah, bye-bye. Bye, bye, Chase. Yeah, can they have questions for me? Who has question for? Oh, Minia, you have question for me. What's your question? Teacher help you come. Sorry, you're so patient with me.